Hello, my name is Greg Chevalekis, and I'm the owner of Apollon Auto Repair. We've been here for going on 33 years. Our family owns 3 locations. My uncle and a partner started the business in '78. This shop opened in 1988, and I started running it in 1996 with my cousin running the Chamblee location, and then we opened the Cumming location third. My uncle grew up as a mechanic, so he started the business, and at a young age I would come and help him at the shop, working at a very young age. From probably the age of 10, when I started coming around the shop, I believe I was going to be a tech. Growing up in a house full of mechanics was fun. We got to come to the shop when we were very young and help my uncle. Even as simple as cleaning his tools was kind of exciting, and organizing the toolbox. It was kind of amazing to think one day that that could be mine, and it became true. We provide services from basic as oil changes to 30, 60, 90,000 mile services. We do brakes, clutches, we do swap engines, fleet services like MedSpeed. They deliver to hospitals, so they have probably about 25 cars that we fleet out. Staff, I have 5 guys, one of them being here since '88. I've had another one here for 22 years. I've had another one here for 17 years. So I've had a lot of loyalty in the staff. Well, if they're gone for a little bit one day, they're asking for them because they're so used to seeing them here. David's been with me about 2 years. He's my right-hand man, very helpful. I mean, he organizes everything. Big part of the shop's success. The difference in Apollon is that we're a family-run business, and we run it as family members coming to see us, not just customers. Automotive is very expensive, and over the years we've kept it very fair. We've had customers for 30 plus years, and different generations coming from their families over the years to us. They're very loyal. They're our biggest support as far as sending other clients. Word of mouth's what's built this shop. A lot of them like that we're NAPA AutoCare because of the past that they've used NAPA parts, and they like to know that there's a good part installed in their car. The NAPA parts are trusted by the techs in the shop and by the customers. They know they stand behind that they're strong parts. They don't like to use any other aftermarket parts but NAPA. We do offer the NAPA warranty, 2 years, 24,000 miles. There's been some instances from people out of town giving us a call, finding out that we're NAPA AutoCare, and they come in and we've taken care of them, and it costs them nothing.
Now you have top local certified mechanics, quality, reliability, and efficiency standards backed by the national power of NAPA. Just look for the NAPA AutoCare logo. NAPA AutoCare Centers. The parts you trust are now the shops you rely on.